Welcome to this channel. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. And to our loyal listeners, don't forget to continue listening. Now, onto the news. Renault mockery replies Lai Mohammed for saying that Nigeria is becoming safer every day. Now, let's move on to the news in full. The Minister of Information and Culture, Lai Mohammed, recently claimed that Nigeria is becoming safer under President Buhari's led government. Lai Mohammed made this particular statement few hours before terrorists attacked a train along Kaduna to Abuja route. Based on that note, the former special assistant to former President Goodluck Jonathan, Renault mockery, decided to react. While reacting, Renault mockery stated it clearly that Lai Mohammed claimed that Nigeria is becoming safer. The very day bandit bombed train carrying almost 1,000 passengers, killing many and abducting many people. Speaking further, he made it known that he doesn't know how Lai Mohammed sleeps at night. He ended the tweet by asking Nigerians a question, so as to know whether this is the change they promised Nigerians. This is really sad and a pathetic one indeed for our dear country Nigeria. This is really not the change Nigerians want. People are being killed on a daily basis in different parts of the country. Yet the government seems not to be doing anything. May the souls of innocent Nigerians who were killed in Kaduna State rest in peace. It is really sad to hear that there's a lot of insecurity in Nigeria. A lot of people are not safe. A lot of killings on a daily basis, a lot of kidnapping on a daily basis, a lot of robbery attack rituals, a lot of things are happening in this country, and a lot of people are tired and overwhelmed by the recent situations. We can recall that a train carrying 1,000 passengers was bombed yesterday and attacked by terrorists. And a lot of people lost their lives, and people were kidnapped. A lot of people were abducted, and a lot of people didn't make it out alive. It can be recalled that during the said attack, a doctor, Dr. Fîñally, went on Twitter to say that she has been shot and they should pray for her. A lot of people didn't believe it when she said it, but it was later confirmed that she died. A promising young doctor who was meant to leave the country in 4 days' time, just on Friday, lost her life to this wicked country, a country full of insecurity, corruption, a lot of endemic vices. We could all see the pictures from the bombing as the train was completely shattered and divided into two. A lot of injured people in the hospital. A lot of people were kidnapped. A lot of people were injured. Some people lost their life in the process. Is this how this country is going to continue to kill its citizens? We have a lot of cases of insecurity. We have a lot of cases of endemic corruption in this country. Is it the case of Umore or the case of Bamishe? The girl who entered the BRT bus and didn't come out alive. A government bus for that matter. It is sad to hear that a lot of young girls are losing their life. A lot of young men are losing their life. A lot of young women who have promising futures, who are meant to be the leaders of tomorrow, are losing their life to this said country, Nigeria. Enough is enough. We need to stand up and get our PVC. We need to change this government. We need to make sure things are right. Let us not look at parties. Let us not look at APC or PDP. Let us look at somebody who is promising, who can come and make a difference in Nigeria, who can come and change everything. Nigeria is in a state of confusion, a state of corruption, a state of a lot of insecurity. A lot of people are complaining of how people are losing their lives on the road, how gunmen are gunning down people and killing them. It is so sad to hear what Nigeria is turning into. This is not the Nigeria we hoped for, the Nigeria we planned for. When we voted for Buhari in 2015, we wanted a change. We wanted something to happen. We wanted a totally different Nigeria. A Nigeria without bloodshed, a Nigeria without insecurity, a Nigeria without corruption, a Nigeria that is full of milk and honey, a Nigeria that gives people opportunities. But this is not the same case right now. This is not the case. It is sad to hear because it is paining a lot of Nigerians. It is paining a whole lot of people. What do we expect from our country? What do we expect? My people, I am tired, and everybody is also tired. Every day there's always news about killing, news about Fîñally herdsmen killing people, news about unknown gunmen gunning down people and shooting them, taking their cars, taking their belongings. It is very sad to hear that in this present day and time, things like this are still happening. We want a country whereby we can move freely, whereby we can travel to other states and there will not be a problem, and we'll come back in one piece. According to Chidinma Ibe, how long will it take Buhari or whoever that is using his office to understand that Lai Mohammed is a mocker making jest of him and his government? It is very sad to hear that the Minister of Information is saying that the country is peaceful when people lost their life yesterday in that tragic Abuja to Kaduna train. A train that was busted by terrorists, a train that was attacked by terrorists. People we don't even know who they are, where they came from. It is very sad to hear that a whole Minister of Information, Lai Mohammed, still had the guts to come out to say that Nigeria is safe under Buhari's administration. Are we a joke in this country or what? It was also learned that yesterday that that terrorists again attacked Gidani's train station along the same Abuja to Kaduna route. And Lai Mohammed is coming out to say that, oh, Nigeria is peaceful. My people, why not take see this one? It is very hard to comprehend, and it's like, what is happening to this country? A lot of people are pained, a lot of people are angry. And just yesterday again, we did not qualify for the World Cup. The same day that this Abuja to Kaduna train was attacked by the terrorists. It is very, very sad to hear. There are a lot of bad things have been happening to Nigeria. According to Levinas, he said that Nigeria is cursed and that we need a whole total reformation of Nigeria. Nigeria needs to be reconstructed. We need a transformation. We are tired. A lot of people are tired. A lot of Nigerians are moving out of the country. A lot of people are tired of this country. A lot of people are going to other states. They don't care. UK, Canada, the United States of America. A lot of people are seeking greener pastures because they have lost all faith in this Nigeria. They've lost all faith in this country. What is our country teaching us to do? A lot of things have been happening. Very soon, people will start robbing in broad daylight. Very soon, rituals will become the order of the day. There is no job employment for the youths. Still, the country is not safe. People are trying to make ends meet. The country is still not safe. How would you just want to go from here to a particular place and you will not come back again? It is very sad to hear that the insecurity in Nigeria is growing as the day is going. What do we expect people to think of this country? A lot of people have lost faith in Nigeria. They've lost faith in this government. They've lost faith in everything that Nigeria stands for. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe. And to our loyal listeners, we love you. We thank you. Continue to subscribe and listen. Thank you.